How to use hashtags on Instagram for business. Welcome on board. I'm Angélique Binet, founder of Social Media Love, and today I'm going to teach you 3 ways you need to use your hashtags on Instagram. Stay tuned until the end because I always give you a little bonus. Number 1 is you can increase your reach by using hashtags each time you post on Instagram. So if you post a new photo or a new video on Instagram, you put a description like a text, and then right away you add a bunch of hashtags. Yes, you can put between 12 to 30 hashtags in your field of expertise, whether they're customers, they could be customers or partners or competitors. What are the key hashtags they're using? And I'm going to show you how you can do that as well to do your research. There is the search function right there. That is the second button here. So here it's where the miracle happens on Instagram. Basically, at the top here, you have the stories that are the most, the most views right now on Instagram based on your own behavior on Instagram. Then below that, you have a bunch of videos and photos that have a lot of engagement. They're either things you maybe engaged before with, or they might be things that are very popular right now. But for you, what matters is a search bar at the very top. It says search at the very, very top. So you're going to put, for example, you see, I'm going to put for avocado, okay? Avocado, okay? And then Instagram going to give me the hashtag that is most popular in this niche, okay? So avocado toast is the one that has so much, like you have 700,000 posts, but even better, 7 million posts with the keyword, with the hashtag avocado. So you can pick from that list the one that are the most popular, and then you add them to your own list so that more people that are using that hashtag in the Instagram community can find you, okay? Number 2, hashtags allow you to find other people on Instagram. So for example, if you're interested into avocado and you want to know everything about avocado, there's a search bar on Instagram that helps you to type a word that you're looking for, a hashtag. So in the search bar, you're going to type avocado, and then it brings you all the videos, all the posts that are talking about avocado. And this is how you're going to be able to find other people that are similar interests to yours. So they could be your potential clients. And then you click on their posts that have the same hashtag, and then you can interact and start saying, oh, nice photo. Oh, how do you make that? And you add comments and they're going to follow you back. And this is how you build a community on Instagram, when you are finding other people that are talking the same language as yours. Third way to use hashtags on Instagram is to be found. Because if you use those hashtags, you can be sure that some people are looking for answers or images or videos that are similar to the ones you are publishing for your own community. So let's say that you are the expert of avocado and everything is about avocado on your feed. Then you're going to probably use multiple hashtags around the avocado and the food world. And this is going to help you to be discovered by others that are going to want to interact with you, follow you, like you, comment you, etc., etc. Then little bonus here, with hashtags, you can actually see what your competitors are doing, because using those hashtags are going to allow you as well to stumble upon accounts of your biggest competitors and see what they do, what their ideas, and maybe get some inspiration about which things you could actually apply to your own account for your business. So that's kind of what your homework. Look for what are the top industry hashtags used in your field area. Second, look for the 10 to 12 to 15 hashtags that are really specific to your niche, and then add your own hashtags. If you've learned something today, Make sure you like the video, you comment, please comment, share it with your friends. If you want more ideas to use Instagram stories, I'm gonna put the link of a cheat sheet right in the description. Ciao, ciao, bye-bye.